Direct replacement. This air door actuator is designed to match the fit and function of the original actuator on specified Chrysler vehicle years, makes, models and configurations. Position-specific. Vehicles often have multiple different HVAC door actuators. Review this part's application notes to verify it matches the location and function of the actuator you need to replace. Requires calibration. Appropriate scan tool required to complete installation. If you don't have a scan tool, consult an equipped service center. Durable construction. Designed and tested to strict standards to help resist wear and electrical burnout for reliable operation and long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This air door actuator directly replaces the original actuator on specific Chrysler vehicle years, makes, models, configurations and positions to restore proper HVAC operation. After installation, this actuator requires recalibration using an appropriate scan tool. Please note that many vehicles have several different air door actuators, which are designed for specific positions and functions in the vehicle. To ensure you have what you need, carefully review the application notes for this part to verify it matches the position and function of the actuator you need to replace. In some online ordering systems, you may need to enter your vehicle information first to see the application notes for your vehicle. If you don't know which actuator position you need to replace, consult a qualified service technician. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Goodbye. Installs easily product as described. Has been installed for a month now with no problems.